In this video, we will learn how to install the current Python version on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type Python and press enter. The official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version is visible. Click on it. The download started. We successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. First, select use admin privileges and also select add Python to path. Click customize installation. Optional features, keep it as it is. It will install pip. Pip is used to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDLE. IDLE is an integrated development environment to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click next. Now select install Python for all users. Rest keep as it is and Python will get installed in the following location. Click install. Installation started. Let's wait. Setup is successful. Click close. Now let us go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Here type python space hyphen version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Now let us run our first program. You can type py here. Press enter. Now the Python shell is visible. So let us print something in Python. Use the print method and whatever you'll add inside this will get printed. Press enter and we printed Amit Diwan. Now let us see a better way. Go to start. Type IDLE. Here it is. IDLE, we just installed it if you remember. Click open. Here it is. Now let us print something using the same print command. Here I am printing my channel name. Just press enter and we printed it. You can also save this. Go to file, save as. Let us save on the desktop. You can save anywhere. Okay. I'll type the name. Let's say demo. It will automatically add the Python file .py extension. Click save. Now you can see the file will be visible here. Here it is. Okay, demo.py, we just created it. Okay, and here is the path that is on the desktop. For a free 5 hours Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.